Hello. In this video we are going to solve a geometry problem. Here we have a rectangular prism which has a volume of 144 and a surface area of 192, and we have the shortest edge as 3. We have to find the longest diagonal through the prism, and we have 4 choices. So there is no easy way for solving this problem other than knowing all the formulas and then solving it. This would take a longer time, probably 2 to 3 minutes. So make sure you keep this in the last, so when you have some spare time, because you don't want to waste time in the beginning. And let's solve it by drawing a rectangle. Okay, and then what do we know? We have the length, height, and then width, but they have given that as 3, so we can use that. And this is the longest diagonal. We'll call that D. And now what we need to do is find out all the formulas that we know. Okay, we have volume, so it's nothing but length times width times height, and then we already know that the width is 3, and then the surface area is 2 times LW plus LH plus WH. So now using all these formula and W equals 3, let's substitute it in the volume and see what we get. So now we have 3 LH equals 144. From that we have LH equals 48, and this is something which we need, so we keep this. Next we substitute in the surface area, so we get 3L plus 48. Instead of LH, I'm replacing it with 48, and then we have it as 192, and solving or simplifying this, you will get L plus H equals 16. Okay, we need this one also. Now the last formula which we need to know is what's the value of the diagonal. So the formula for diagonal is D square equals square root of L square plus H square plus W square. But we can replace W with 3, so this will become 3 square, which is 9. Unfortunately, we don't know L square plus H square, but we know L plus H equals 16. So now when we square that, we get L square plus H square plus 2HL. We can substitute that with 2 times 48, which will be 96, equals 256. So now when we simplify it, we get L square plus H square equals 160, and now we substitute that in the formula there. So that will become 160 plus 9, which will be square root of 169, and then we get 13. So D equals 13, and the answer is B. So this is the way we solve this problem. And as I mentioned, you need to know all these formulas, so make a note of all these formulas and then try to remember it, and then practice more problems like this, so it will be much easier. See you in the next video. Bye.